viewers, this is MD Zubaya. Welcome to my channel Smart Coding. Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to create a nice and beautiful thumbnail for your YouTube video. So we will do it through PowerPoint. So just open the PowerPoint app and you see already they have two text boxes, so you can keep them or you can write whatever you want. So I'll just edit this text box. I will write whatever I need. Okay, I'll just write how to create nice and brilliant thumbnails. So now this text box, I'll write this. It's up to you, like you can add any text box, I mean according to your demand you can write and add, delete any other text box. You can choose the style. So I think like you can create beautiful and nice thumbnails by Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also create by other editing software like Photos and Paint, but I found it very easy and easy way to create a thumbnail by PowerPoint, because they have a lot of option. So now you can add a picture, whatever picture you want you can add, resize. I found like in PowerPoint you have more function than other editing image editing software. So it's up to you, but I found it very easy and nice way to create a thumbnail by PowerPoint. Yeah, you just design according to your demand. So now you can add slides design. They have so many nice and beautiful design here, so I always prefer this one. So you can use this background, then save as. Remember in YouTube thumbnail, if you image size is more than 2 megabyte, you won't be able to upload it. So you need to choose the format according to that. I always prefer like they have so many options here like GIF, bitmap, but they are always big size. So I always use ping. The format is ping. Yeah, so now I saved it as a ping format. So now I already have created that, so I'll go in the folder and show you how was the image. You see that? So I hope you found the answer you looking for. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.